Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum. It is a matter of time to become an overnight celebrate of social media. But I see this very well, because if a person can use his skills and attributes to become a favorite of all, then what is there to blame? And the best thing is that now it is possible to earn almost every social media platform by utilizing it. So today I have come for you for YouTube. There are 20 great YouTube channel ideas that can make you an overnight celebrate. Today you can learn from this video 20 great YouTube channel ideas. Record popular Nath or Gojol by singing your own melody. There is no saying that the neck will be good for singing. If the audience gets fun, then the bad vocal video will be viral. We all want to know that is happening around us. What are the problems facing people? Keep videos of various inconsistencies in our society secretly and upload it to your channel. Describe how to be careful about it as well. New video on the internet is viral constantly. Talk to your channel about the recent issues that have become viral on the internet and give your feedback. Upload beautiful and funny videos of animals and children by recording them. Review the movie with your honest opinion on singing the recent movies being realized. Upload different restaurants and travel related events or travel videos. Review the price and prices of all the items we need in the daily market list. Find new ideas about house to house and home furnishings and upload videos to your channel while they do it yourself. Introduce various important information on pop culture and new ways to make up your audience through your channel. Tell each of his tactics about various topics related to education and how to easily understand the complexities of learning. Find new recipes and present them to your visitors by cooking videos. Create a review video on your channel with the newest smartphone and its features in the market. Create and upload informative videos about a known or unfamiliar topic. Create interview videos with people of various professions and make videos on their professional responsibilities and what they are experiencing or how they work hard to reach their level. Play new games in the market yourselves first and record your experience by recording videos of a game. Share your experience with the audience. Present in front of your audience with new strategies for any type of health or new exercise. Record what your feedback is like when viewing another popular video and create a review channel. If you have a special talent, then create a serious video with it. Make the review video of how other YouTube users work on YouTube. Upload and share conversations videos with different friends. If you can show yourself to one of the 20 great YouTube channel ideas that have been discussed in today's post, you will get 3 names, glory, fame. And if you like your YouTube channel, it's easy to earn money from that channel. If you have any questions, please send me message. Please subscribe to my channels. Please like in this video and publish your comment below. Good luck, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.